guys, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, please subscribe, and I hope you stick around for more videos. So today I am very excited. I started getting the influence box from Pink Cosmetics, so we are unboxing 2 months worth of their products. I am in love with their products. I've been using them for quite a while now. This video is not sponsored at all, just so by the way. I bought these influencer boxes. We get them at a more affordable price, but we do pay for them ourselves, just so we can try the products out and not have to pay full price. But yeah, so it's not sponsored. I didn't get it for free, and I'm doing this because I really love the brand. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So first of all, this is the box. It's huge. This is October's one. I'm a bit late on the bandwagon, guys, so excuse me. And obviously I dug in when I got this. It was so beautifully wrapped. How cute is this unicorn? It's unicorns. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, so I just want to tell you guys a little bit more about the brand. It's a South African brand. They are against animal testing, so they are very cruelty free, and yeah. So Pink Cosmetics makeup, bath and body products were launched in 2014. Made in the beautiful mother city of Cape Town, of course. It's easy to see why nature is the main inspiration behind Pink. The wide variety of moisturizers, scrubs, oils, masks and mists available from Pink Cosmetics are sure to fill each and every one of your skincare needs. Functionality is number one, but it doesn't hurt to add some sparkle to your daily skincare routine, making your me time even more sumptuous. Inspired by the dewy, glowy and minimalistic makeup look, the Pink makeup collection is all about understated elegance and letting your natural beauty shine through. Products designed to mix together, create your own signature colors and work effortlessly together. Let's celebrate realistic, imperfect beauty with easy-to-use products that aim to make you feel comfortable in your skin and reflecting your personal style. Luxurious and one-of-a-kind, Pink Cosmetics products are produced with the highest quality ingredients and integrity. No parabens, sulfates or petrochemicals. No testing on animals, and all vegan. Janet's mission, Janet is the owner of Pink Cosmetics, what a lovely lady, is to educate consumers about what they are using on their skin. I want to educate others about the dangers of harmful ingredients that cause damage to the skin. I want them to feel empowered and to know that there are safe and superior options available. And Pink Cosmetics epitomizes this truth so wonderfully. So yeah. This is the box for October, so let's start going through the products. I already use Pink Cosmetics. The brush cleaner, the unicorn one, is amazing. I literally wash my beauty blenders with them every single day, and it's the only thing that can clean my beauty blenders completely. Also, your brushes smell amazing afterwards, so yeah, definitely give that a look at. And oh yeah, just so by the way, I have my own code, and yeah, you can save 10% on your purchase. This is not like a affiliate code or anything that I get any commission of. It's just for you guys to save some money on your purchase, so I am very happy about that. And yeah, so let's carry on with the products. In this month's box is a jelly soap. It says to use the soap, break off a small piece, lather it on a washcloth or loofah or wet jelly soap and lather up. Cleanse skin, then rinse with warm water. These handmade soaps are like washing with jelly and all wiggly and wobbly. So how cute is this? Let me just show you guys, because last night when I opened it, I had so much fun with this. And it smells so good. Look at this. Okay, it's flopping over a bit because it's a jelly soap. Okay, how freaking cute, guys. Look, let me just hold it so it doesn't flop over, but I want to take some pictures with it, but it's so beautiful. It smells so good. So that is the jelly soap. I actually just want to go on the website and see what it all retails for, so I can give you guys a better idea of the products. Okay, so the unicorn jelly soap is 95 Rand. This, and I just want to smell it again. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Next in the box we have the unicorn teardrops mini bath bombs. How freaking cute is this? You get like a whole tub of mini bath bombs. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to use this. And that retails for, okay, so the unicorn teardrops mini bath bombs is 65 Rand. Okay, and then we move over to some face care. Those are bath products. This is the powder face mask, coconut milk, oats and chamomile. This is a calming and soothing one. How beautiful is this pack? Well, the packaging is so beautiful. So if you open it up, you can see it's like in a powder form, and it says naturally soothing, calming with mildly exfoliating properties. Sorry, this reading a little bit very small here, so if I mess up, excuse me. In a non-metal bowl, mix together 1 teaspoon of our face mask powder with warm water, green tea or warm milk to form a thick paste. Test the paste on the side of your neck, and if well tolerated, apply a thin layer on your face, avoiding the eyes and lips. Let the mixture dry and remove by gently massaging your face with a wet, warm washcloth to exfoliate the skin. So I'm very excited to try this. I love face masks. And then in this month's box we get these 2 little mini lip lusters. Now I quickly had a look at this last night, guys. Let me just show you, because I don't think you guys will believe me when I say how freaking cute this is. Okay, so I'm just going to open one quickly. This one is the Peony Blush Lip Lustre. It's tiny, so you can put it in your bag. And I thought it was going to be like a little, you know, like Q-Tex or whatever. How freaking cute is that wand? Oh my god, I die. Really? So cute. And it's beautiful. Let me swatch it for you guys, because it's so pretty. And then I just want to swatch the other one as well. This is more of a iridescent glitter tiger lily, it's called. It looks almost like a top coat, so I just want to swatch that one for you guys as well. Like a beautiful, and these, oh, it smells so good. Really, I don't know what she puts in, but there it is. This is the peony pink, and that's like a top coat, but you can actually use that alone as well. I love lips, so I am going to be using all of this. I love it. I was considering giving it to gifts, but as Christmas gifts, but I like it too much. Okay, and we're almost done with the box. This month they teamed up with a company called Pink Flamingo, and I just actually want to have a look because it's a very cute little flamingo tin, and I thought this is so cute for if you have, like, you can put your earrings in when you go traveling. Let me just see. I can't find the company online or on Instagram, so I'll just have to have a look. This one is called Flamingo Moon. And how cute is this little tin, guys? You can pop any. Okay, there's 2 sweeties in. But how cute is this? You can put like little things in your bag, or, you know, if you're traveling, put like your little stud earrings in there. So yeah, this is October's box. Now over to November's box. So opening it up. So obviously they started their own like makeup brand as well, and it's also free from parabens, sulfates and petrochemicals, 100% vegan, no animal testing. Then they have a glitter glaze now, a full coverage eyeshadow topper of concentrated no mess stale day glitter for use on your face. So okay, firstly I got a whole stickers of unicorns. How cute is that, guys? Oh my goodness, I'm getting way too excited for this. So yeah, the glitter glaze, let me get that quickly. This is the glitter glaze. This you can apply on your eye or face. Let me put some on my hand and let's see. So it's literally like an eyeshadow topper. All this stuff smells so good though. So, okay, Mr. Camera, zoom in. So if you guys can see, I've put some there, and now if I just spread it out, it's like beautiful glitter. Wow. Jeez, if you just tap it on, I don't know if you guys can see, but how beautiful is that? Oh, I'm definitely going to be trying that out. It's like pink with all kinds of, I must see, greenish glitters as well. Don't know if you guys are getting the full effect, but yeah, very excited for that. Just take it off. And all the glitter and stuff that they use in their products is all eco-friendly glitter, so that's very cool, guys. I really like it. So yeah, moving on. So this month I got a beautiful lavender handcrafted artisan soap. Now this box is so beautiful, I don't actually want to open it, but let's open it. I'm gonna attempt to close it. Oh well, I can't because they wrap it so beautifully that you have to tear it to open it. Everything is just so beautiful, and the packet, like, it's really attention to detail, you know. There's everything is just so pretty. Okay, so let's open that. So beautiful, guys. Oh, it smells good. I love lavender. I also love the Sleepy Cream from Lush. I know this is not a Lush video, but I love it. Okay, let me try and just open the one side. The soaps are so beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. This is freaking beautiful. Look at that. Oh my word. It's almost too beautiful to use. Oh, I'm in heaven. Okay, let me put that aside. I want to wrap it up again so it looks like I never opened it. So, okay, let me just check on the soapies. That's the lavender one. And their website is literally so easy to use. You can just, it's pinkcosmetics.co.za. I will link everything down below for you guys, so it's easy. And I'll put my code down below for you guys if you want to buy anything. So yeah, let's see the soapy. I can't find the lavender one. Am I? Okay, well, there is a little, all the other soaps seem to be 65 Rand. Oh, there's another one for 85 Rand. Okay, so the prices do differ. Yeah, I just don't know what this one retails for. So let me just see if I can find. No, we can't find it. But yeah, it seems like most of the soaps are 85 Rand, which is much less than Lush and all those things. So, and the soapies don't look that beautiful. So if you want to give a gift, that is beautiful. Then we've got the bath bomb. I'm not sure which one this is, but it's so beautiful, guys. Look at that. How beautifully packaged is this, eh? So nice. Let me see the bath. I know I'm sitting on my phone most of the time. Oh, but I just have to give you guys some information. So bath bombs are, this is a big one, I think. So let me see. I think this is the Pink Giant Bath Bomb Mermaid. I just don't know because it doesn't say. But this looks like the Mermaid one. And this is 60 Rand. So very nice. Yeah, I think that's it. And then last but not least, it is, the sticker is farting. It's the cleansing balm from Pink Cosmetics. This is a makeup cleansing, you put it on your makeup and you just like massage it in. It doesn't burn your eyes. It is freaking amazing. I have one that I got in my BoxyCharm and it's amazing. So I'm definitely down for these because I use so many wipes to take my makeup off, and it's a nightmare. So this you can just literally cleanse. It takes off mascara and everything, and then you just rinse your face. So it makes it so easy. And this is what it looks like. It's literally a soft, oh, why does everything smell so nice? I just want more and more and more. So yeah, this is quite interesting actually. So it actually describes how you take your makeup off, and then at the end it says can be left on for 10 to 20 minutes as hydrating treatment mask too. So you can actually use this as a face mask if your skin is really dry. That is very interesting. So I just want to see how much this is. Okay, so the cleansing balm is 165 Rand, which is not bad, guys. I know other companies have way more expensive. So this is the last of this box. Then there are a lot of products that they sell. They do lip scrubs, they do face mists and micellar water, and the list is endless, and there's some surprises coming from them as well. So if you just log on to Instagram and give them a follow, you can keep up with all the updates and everything. So that concludes this video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. This brand is really, really amazing, and it's making its way very quickly throughout South Africa. So you better get your hands on it. I have the brush cleaner, which is my die-hard brush cleaner, and then the unicorn body scrub. You get literally a tub like this, and it's like icing, cake icing, like just lathering your body in cake icing, and I freaking love it, and you smell so good afterwards. So please just give it a go and try it. You won't regret it. So thank you for watching, guys, and yeah, don't forget to use my code below if you guys want to buy anything. You save a little bit of money if you want to buy Christmas presents. And yeah, till next time, guys. Bye.